Hey everyone, it's Alex here. Welcome back to another training video. I'm currently in Hong Kong, which was, until recently, one of the biggest ports in the world, one of the biggest trading ports in the world. And basically, today's tip of the day is how to go about shipping your videos, shipping your products from Hong Kong or from China into your country, whether it's Australia, whether it's UK or the US. And there's many ways of going about it. Shipping from specifically Hong Kong, you can use Hong Kong to ship goods, or you can. What I would recommend is basically, instead of going for the hassle of trying to ship it yourself, which a lot of importers try to do to try and save money, I would actually hire a shipping agent or shipping expert who will go about finding. For example, there's several ways of shipping. If it's small goods and that are light, you can pretty much fly them over. If they're quite heavy and you have to get a 20-foot container or a 40-foot or a 40-foot high Q container, you will want to get definitely either a customs broker or a freight forwarder to handle all the paperwork for you, because there is a lot of red tape when it comes to China. China is just one big ball of red tape. All right, so definitely do hire a shipping expert. Hire an expert who knows what they're doing, because they can probably get better rates for you, because there's so much volume. They service a lot of clients. They can actually get you really good rates compared to, if you're going to do it by yourself. All right, so definitely do hire a shipping agent. And if you are looking for one, we've got heaps of shipping agents that we can refer you to who are awesome at delivering great service, but also giving good rates. All right, so how to go about shipping your goods? There's two ways: air and the sea. Okay, they're probably the biggest, and also, there's domestic, there's trans, you can actually do shipping by rail as well, via China, within China. But basically, the cheapest is probably shipping, but it also becomes a little bit of a hassle, and that's why you don't want to do it yourself, all right? So until the next video, by the way, if you want to find out more information and more training videos, head over to our website. We've got heaps of videos there for you.